Hey guys, Dr. Will here from Miami Spine and Performance. As most of you know, I'm not only a chiropractor, but I'm completing my PhD this semester in exercise physiology, and I'm also a certified strength coach. So one of the services that I offer for both patients and non-patients is remote exercise programming. Sometimes these programs are tailored for working around a specific injury, sometimes they're tailored toward physique goals, sometimes performance goals. But one of the things patients are often asking me and clients are asking me is, Doc, I'm short on time. Should I be focusing on full body functional movements? Should I be crawling on the ground and rolling around and dealing with kettlebells and clubs? Or should I be doing machines, right? Should I be doing isolation work? Well, I've always really been of the thought process that your training should include a little bit of all of these things. And I know that particularly in my community, isolation exercise machines have kind of been poo-pooed on a little bit as, they're not functional. But the reality is that in order to keep joints healthy, you need equal balance of muscles. And in order to have equal balance of muscles, you have to isolate muscles. So I really do not believe that it's enough to just do kettlebell exercises and full body weight exercises. I think that there's a tremendous amount of benefit to using these tools as a way to express the strength that you have in your body and to combine different sort of joint movements. But I always stress to patients and clients that you have to do some isolation work, right? All of my clients that I do remote programming for are doing some sort of leg curl movement, right? An isolated leg curl hamstring movement. Now, I may also have them doing kettlebell swings and glute ham raises, but they're all doing some isolated leg curl movements, right? Even for the bicep, right? Who doesn't love training biceps? I have patients that do muscle ups, they do kettlebell snatches, they do pull-ups, right? Different movements that are involving the bicep, but usually I always have them do some sort of preacher curl, some sort of spider curl, some sort of incline curl. Not only for aesthetics, but to keep the elbow healthy, right? To prevent tennis elbow and to also make sure that they don't hurt their bicep while they're doing, weighted chin-ups, right? If you're doing weighted chin-ups and you're putting a lot of stress through your tendons in your bicep, you could potentially tear your bicep, you could hurt your pronator, you could hurt your supinator. So I'm a big fan of isolation exercise. So when you guys are programming for yourself, don't neglect machines and don't neglect isolation exercises. They're gonna make you not only look good, but feel good as well.